GP-A series is available in 10.4-inch, 7-inch, 5.7-inch and 4.6-inch models. HMI GP-A046-T96 is used. Temperature controller TX4S-B4C is used. Communication cable C3M5P03-D9M0-W4*0 is used. atDesigner is used. Connect power. To connect with PC, connect mini USB cable. To connect with TX series, connect communication cable. Supply power to GP-A046. Touch the upper left of the screen. Touch environment. Touch communication. Make sure the editor's communication interface is set to USB. Run atDesigner. Click New. Check if the HMI model name matches the product. From the Connected Device Setting menu, click Add. Select Modbus Master 01 Protocol. Click OK. Set the same parameters as the setting on the connected device. Click OK. From the Figure ribbon menu, click Image. Drag to select the entire workspace. From the Image tab, click Find. After selecting the desired image, click Open. Click OK. Image edition is complete. Download is to transfer the drawing file from PC to HMI. Upload is to transfer the drawing file from HMI to PC. From the Communication ribbon menu, click Option. Make sure the connection method is USB. Click Searching. Check if HMI is detected normally. Click OK. Click Download. Click Save. Downloading is complete. Check the HMI screen.